As a business owner, it's important to know if your brand is being seen by the audiences you want to reach. Are your marketing campaigns working? Are your ads being shown to the right audiences? Is your website helping to drive sales? Meta Pixel, formerly known as Facebook Pixel, is a tool to track website data and measure conversion rates, to help you to better understand the impact of your ads by understanding what people do after they see them. This can help you to reach the people who are more likely to take meaningful action after engaging with your brand, like purchasing your product or service. Here is how to create and install Meta Pixel. First, we have to find or create a pixel code. We can do this by going to Meta Business Suite or Facebook Business Manager and clicking All Tools on the left panel. Then, click the green plus icon. Go to Connect Data Sources and select Web if you're wanting to connect to your website. You can connect to an app, offline store, or CRM here too. Next, select Meta Pixel and click Connect. Add your pixel name and at the next step, enter your website URL to check for easy setup options. Click Continue. Once your pixel code is created, we need to add it to your website so you can start collecting information. There are a number of different ways to do this, and the best option may depend on what CMS you use. If you use an e-commerce platform like Google Tag Manager, then you can install your pixel without needing to edit your website's code. If you work with a digital marketing agency or web developer, you can send them your pixel code and then they can install it for you. To manually install the code by yourself and begin tracking visitor behavior, copy and paste the pixels code into the head section of the index page on your website. Make sure you replace this code with your pixel ID. You will need to paste the code into every single page for accurate tracking or into your template if you are using one. You can check whether you have installed the pixel correctly by entering your website's URL and selecting Send Test Traffic. Once the pixel is tracking data, click Continue. It's crucial to make sure you are telling your website visitors that you are collecting their data through Meta Pixel to comply with Facebook's terms and conditions. Visitors should be able to opt out of having their data easily collected. You can do this by providing a link to your privacy policy, a page on your website with information about how a user can change their settings and opt out. Head to the link on screen for a step-by-step guide on adding a cookies consent banner to your website. Note that OS updates can sometimes impact your ability to set up and measure customer interactions online. So keep an eye out for known conflicts or bugs. Now that Meta Pixel is set up, watch our video, How to Use Meta Pixel, to learn how to use the features of the tool.